Gavana ma kaunti ma Kisumu Ngire Peter Anyang' Nyong'o odiochieng' ma kawuono orado kod rowere ma bende wuok e kaunti no ero kendo jiwogi mondo gibigo kura neno wuon e yiero mabiro mano madwe manyien. Koloso kod rowere ma kamago eke ka tiegruok mano ero ma Tom Mboya Labour College boma ma Kisumu, Nyong'o bende osingone rowere biro medo dhi nyime kod sirogi lwedo kata mana e tamne mar ariyo mobiro bedo ka gavana ma kaunti ma Kisumu. Owacho ni obiro siro rowere kokalo kuom programs mathoth ma bende biro konyogi e yudo tije magi. Rowere korka korgi bende to jiwo Ngire Nyong'o mondo ogernegi art center moro mondo okonygie e ndiko kata e yudo tije mopogore opogore e kaunti no ero.
The social hall degenerated. Garrison Theatre was raised to the ground and the state put there. So we need something, kind of a cultural and center. That she's talking about. Now, we had that meeting, but then COVID came. COVID messed up the whole world. So we have to start again. And we are starting. You have mentioned the convention center at Mamboleo. Yes, don't take that lightly. That's going to be a big art center. Not just for meetings, but for performance too. There's a huge exhibition center there, part of which can be used for your interest. But that does not stop us from building a theater that Sir David Ajayi had in mind for Kisumu, for the now and the future. Now, you also talk about having such centers in the wards. It's not possible. But we are having community centers, by the way, almost in every ward. Every ward. So some wards have even 2 or 3. I think Seme sub-county. Some sub-counties have even 2 or 3. But I think our aim is to have community centers in every ward, so that people have a place where they can have performances, meetings, and so on. It's very important because life is not just work, work, work. Life is also relaxing, like here we have been talking, laughing with each other. When you go out, you are a little bit more refreshed. So we intend to do that and have more trade fairs and so on. The biggest trade fair was Afro-City Summit. But we intend to have such fairs as we go ahead in the Department of Trade and in the city.